いらっしゃいませ。Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Reiko. Haven't you had a moment when you tasted sesame dressing in a Japanese restaurant? Oh, I wish I could cook this. Now today, your dream comes true. I'm going to show you how to cook sesame dressing. To make the sesame dressing, this is what we need. The most important ingredients is sesame seed. There are two different kinds of sesame seed. One is roasted, one is not roasted, right? Roasted one's not easy to get, but not roasted one is very easy to get. You can buy it from any supermarket. So I'm going to show you how to roast the not roasted sesame seed. So we are going to eat the sesame dressing with warm salmon salad today. The salmon has got a fish oil, lots of fish oil, which is really good for your joint, and beetroot is really good for your blood pressure. Right, so this dish is packed full of healthy stuff with really yummy sauce. We also need a pestle to grind the sesame seed, also the frying pan with a lid. Let's roast the sesame first. Put the sesame in a heated frying pan, dry frying pan, no oil, and then roast it. Shake it like this for about 5 minutes, but come back sometimes occasionally and then mix it, shake it, so the sesame doesn't get burned. That's all you need to do for the sesame seed. Right. Now sesame seed has been about 3 minutes in a pan with a very low heat, right? And the color started to change a little bit. Can you see? Slightly brown, but never get burnt. Don't get burnt. We don't want to burn sesame seed. Okay, probably another couple of minutes. Right, now sesame seed has been roasted about 5 minutes now. And can you see the color has slightly changed but not burned? Now turn the gas off now and then let it cool. While sesame seed is cooling in the pan, let's mix the rest of the ingredients. Meaning soy sauce, mayonnaise, sugar and sesame oil, all into the cool cocktail shaker. Now today we are going to have a sesame dressing with a salad, so let's have a squeeze of half lemon as well. Now sesame seed is cooled down, so put it in a pestle. Right, let's grind the sesame. So now this takes a bit of time because we don't want to see this sesame seed shape left. It's all nicely grounded. Let's practice dancing because we're gonna dance later. Now the sesame seed is grinded nicely. Now let's put it in a cocktail shaker. Now all ingredients in the cocktail shaker. Let's start dancing. Remember we put the lump of sugar, so got to shake it well, okay? Let's have a taste. It's so good. I don't think you need the salt at all, but if you want a slightly stronger taste, you can put a pinch of salt. Let's cook the salmon first. Heat the frying pan, but you don't need any oil because salmon has got lots of oil. Okay, then put it. Medium to lower heat for, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes. While salmon is cooked, let's cut the vegetables. Very simple, just for your salad you eat every day, hopefully. And let's have avocado as well. It's very healthy. Then spring onion. Now salmon is cooked. Now it's about 3-4 minutes. Can you see half cooked? Now let's steam cook it now, right? It's a very healthy way of cooking. And wait another 3 to 5 minutes until the old water evaporates. Salmon's nearly cooked. Let's lay the salad on the plate. Now salmon is cooked. Can you hear? Ooh, look at it. Right? Switch the gas off, and then all you need is just flake it. It's good, doesn't it? One more shake. Now the sesame dressing. Oh, look at this. Right? And then the sprinkle of spring onion. Voila! You can also garnish with a black sesame seed. Look at this. This is gorgeous warm salmon with sesame dressing. Itadakimasu. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. And we are releasing the new recipe every Friday evening, so please check it out. No, check it out.